the Friday quiz. This week's Bible study is going to focus on 1 Peter chapter 3, verses 13 to 22. So all these questions I can only promise kind of make sense. But anyway, all the questions kind of make sense when you read 1 Peter chapter 3, verses 13 to 22. So be kind to yourself. Read 1 Peter chapter 3, verses 13 to 22. Okay, otherwise your poor brains. There's a special prize this week, by the way. There's a special prize, the Haribo Teacher's Pet Award, for anyone finding an online copy of 1 Enoch. That's 1 Enoch, and reading chapters 12 and 15. They're only short chapters. So that's 1 Enoch, chapters 12 and 15, as well as 1 Peter 3, 13 to 22. If you want to win the Haribo Teacher's Pet Award, which of course you do. Be pride of place on your mantelpiece. Anyway, question 1. Question 1, what is your happy place? Question 1, what is your happy place? Question 2, can you be in your happy place and be suffering, or are the two mutually exclusive? Question 3, and again, think about this from the perspective of what Peter is saying in chapter 3 of his letter. Was that a silly question? You know, the question about can you be suffering and be in your happy place, is that a silly question? And question 4, why not? I know it's not a real quiz, it's just designed to provoke thought. I promise you it's not designed to provoke. I know that's probably what it does, but there we go. Anyway, that was question 4. So question 2, can you be suffering and in your happy place? Question 3, was that a silly question? Question 4, why not? Sorry. Question 5, how do you know when you're doing the right thing for the right reason? Question 6. Who do you think are the spirits in prison that Peter speaks of in verse 19? Question 7. What, if anything, have they got to do with us? And that leaves us with question 8. How does your experience of baptism agree with what Peter is saying here? If you have been, thank you for taking part.